you left out? Yeah.
You know what it is? I feeling like I'm left out. I really do hate feeling like I'm left out.
No, you do, bro. It's bad, isn't it?
Too bad. But it's a nice thing I got to write this verse.
Let's hear it then. Let's hear the verse then.
That's cool. You make me feel a certain way, I'm always overwhelmed. Your kisses always make me numb, my dick is getting hot. My heart was broken into pieces when you picked it up. My life is shattered when you found me, but you gave me love. My niggas know I'm in too deep, just like the sinking ship. You know I need you like an addict, begging for a fix. When you be shot using his bow, I'm glad you took the shot. My mama likes you, she can hide it, she keeps asking about you. My life was always full of darkness, she illuminated. My ex is calling cause I'm happy, now I feel like Malcolm. You were my crush and then I got you, drives me crazy like a sports car. I can fake it, girl, I feel you and I know the feeling's mutual. Now we fighting, claiming distance and we hardly talk. You say I need you and I think you're trying to ask for space. I gave you space, you got me stressed. I hope you're happy where you at, baby. I hope you will come back, but then I hope it's not too late. I hope we grow stronger even if it gets hard. You say we should be friends, why you wanna break my heart? You don't know what you want. I don't have no time to chase, I don't have no time for games. You said you'd love me every day. Girl, I miss you on the low. If you need me, come back home. We can fix this on our own. Tell me, is this real? Baby, is it really over? I hate stressing when I'm sober. I am all up in myself. I just hope it won't be late when you're knocking on my door. Cause I'm left